In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to insert a plus symbol in Google Sheets on desktop. Sometimes typing a plus sign into a spreadsheet doesn't behave the way you expect. In Google Sheets, a plus at the start of a cell is treated like a formula. That means if you just type a plus sign and hit enter, Sheets will assume you're trying to calculate something, and you either get an error or an empty formula. The trick is to tell Google Sheets that you want the symbol as plain text. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop. Use your preferred browser, navigate to your file, and make sure the sheet where you want the symbol is visible. This works the same whether you're in a brand new sheet or an existing one. Next, click to select the cell where you want the plus symbol to appear. You'll see the border highlight the active cell, and the cursor will be ready for input. This step matters because whatever you type will go directly into the selected cell and show up in the formula bar at the top. Now, here's the important part. To enter a plus sign as text, you need to start with a character before the plus so that Sheets doesn't interpret it as a function. The simplest and cleanest character to use is a leading apostrophe. Click into the cell, type an apostrophe first, then type the plus symbol, and press Enter. The apostrophe is a special indicator that tells Google Sheets to treat what follows as plain text. It won't appear in the cell once you press Enter. You'll only see the plus symbol displayed. If you look up in the formula bar after you're done, you'll notice the apostrophe is still there to preserve the text format, but it stays hidden in the cell itself. If you accidentally type the plus sign without a character first, and Sheets tries to make a formula, just delete the entry and try again with the apostrophe before the plus. Once the plus sign is in the cell as text, you can copy and paste it anywhere else in your sheet, and it will remain a text symbol, not a formula. That's it. Open your Google Sheet on desktop, select the cell where you want the plus symbol, start with a character to force text, type the plus sign, and press Enter. With this quick approach, you can display a standalone plus symbol exactly where you need it without triggering any formula behavior. And that's how you insert a plus symbol in Google Sheets on desktop.